Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a prone row into a side plank and a push-up prone row into a side plank. We'll probably use lighter dumbbells when we do these, and that's because the extension of that dumbbell as we get into our high plank can be kind of difficult. So when we do this, we're going to grab our dumbbells, and I'll show you the one dumbbell variation as well. But we're going to grab our dumbbells, and then we want our shoulders, elbows, and wrists stacked. We're going to push our upper back like up away from the floor, so that's going to engage our upper back. We're going to squeeze our abs, we're going to squeeze our quads, and we're going to squeeze our glutes when we're in this position. So nice stacked high plank. I'm going to just shift my body however I need, so that way I can bring one dumbbell off the ground to the front of my shoulder. Then I'm going to come onto the sides of my feet and extend that dumbbell up over my shoulder, bring it back in close, down the same way it came. So shift, and then open up. For the single arm variation, we will use one hand on the ground. One hand is going to be on the dumbbell. So again, everything's stacked, everything nice and engaged. We're going to shift our weight onto the hand without the dumbbell, pull that dumbbell in close, come over into our side plank, and just bring that dumbbell down, and then back onto the other side. So when we bring the dumbbell down, we want to gently set it down. We're not doing anything sloppily. We want everything super tight when we're doing this exercise. We can always modify this too with our knees. So if we come into our prone row and then come into a modified side plank and do that way. Now to add in the push-up is very simple. We just go push-up, row, plank, row, plank.